so to show you how this works, I'm going to create a footstep for this corrugated metal sheets that we have here. So first of all, go to the editor and create new physics and create new material. And then we'll just call that metal. And then we need a physics material also. And we'll just call that PM and then metal, so we know what it is. And then we'll add this to the material that we just created. And then we'll go to the player and the physics PM mat detector script. And then we'll just add our new material to the array. And then we'll add this material to the mesh, or if you have a box collider, any collider that you have. And then finally, we need to add the int value to this material. And if we look at how this works in the script, we have a mat index, which is what we're going to use for our middleware to change the surface type. And then this is connected to the mat index value. And the mat index value comes from our physics material creator, which is essentially the scriptable object. And that's what we just set in the inspector. And then we can simply use that int to advance our parameters. And in my case, I'm using FMOD here, but it obviously works equally well for Wwise or whatever you are using. Okay, hopefully this tutorial and the scripts are useful, and good luck with your game audio implementations.